Today I'm going to show you solo shutter split effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here is a normal split. First, we will go effect and search echo and leave it the video layer. Then we will go effect control and increase the number of echoes like 4% and decrease the starting intensity and change the echo operator screen. It's complete now. It looks like this when we run it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.